Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about 2NF, that is second normal form. Second normal form, a relation is said to be in 2NF if the following two conditions are satisfied. The first one is a relation must be in 1NF. Second condition, that is a non-key attribute must be fully functionally dependent on primary key. See, if these two conditions are satisfied, then your relation is said to be in 2NF. As I discussed earlier about normalization and first normal form in my previous video. Now, so here I want to explain what is partial dependency and what is fully functional dependency. So the second condition in 2NF is a non-key attribute must be fully functionally dependent on primary key. So if what is partial dependency? Partial dependency occurs when a non-prime attribute is functionally dependent on part of a candidate key. So here candidate key is a key which is subset of primary key. So as I discussed earlier, primary key, foreign key, super key, alternate key. So you can check my previous video about these keys. So see, the second normal form 2NF eliminates the partial dependency. So it eliminates partial dependency. So what is partial dependency? By seeing one example, you can understand about partial dependency. So for example, I have a student project table. So in this table, I have a student ID, project number, student name, project name. So in student ID, I have two records. So project number, I have two records, same way student name, project name. Suppose if you want to retrieve project name, this project name must depend on project number. At the same time, if you want to retrieve student name, again student name must depends on student ID. So here the primary key attributes are student ID and project number. So as started, the non-prime attributes are student name and project name should be functionally dependent on part of a candidate key to be a partial dependent. So now this relation not in 2NF because project name is depend on project number and student name must depend on student ID. So now, so in any one of the non-key attribute must depend on only one key. So that is prime key attribute. So here, so there are two keys. So that is student ID and project number. To avoid this kind of situation, so what you have to do is you just divide it into more than one table. So our larger schema into smaller multiple schemas. So obviously that is decomposition. So now decompose this table into more than one table. Now see, the student name can be determined by student ID, which makes the relation partial dependent. Next, project name can be determined by project number, which makes the relation partial dependent. Therefore, the student project relation violates the 2NF in normalization and is considered a bad database design. Now, what I have to do is to remove partial dependency and violation of 2NF, decompose the tables. As I discussed earlier, now decompose this table. So how means student info one table and project info another table, student ID, project number and student name. Suppose if you want to retrieve student name, so obviously student name depends on student ID. Suppose if you want to retrieve the project number, so which student is related to which project, so in that cases you can obviously project number depends on student ID. So in this table, so this is satisfied. Now come to second table, that is project info. Project name depends on project number. So means, so non-key attribute depends on key attribute in the second table, and non-key attribute, that is student name and project number, depends on student ID. So in this case, see, if we divide into more than one table, so obviously you can join these two tables. The condition of joining two tables is, so in the first table, you should have one primary key field. In the second table, you should have another foreign key field. So here project number is the foreign key field and project name number is the primary key field. So by using this primary key and in the second table foreign key, you can join these two tables so that we can divide into more than table. So now this is the table, so which I discussed earlier. Now student info, student ID, project number, student name, project name. So you can divide these two, divide into two tables. So how means student info and project info. Hope you understand the concept of second normal form. Thank you.